Chapter 1. Intro. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at something a little different, but still very much in the smart home vibe. These are the NEEWER NR01 waterproof smart outdoor string lights, a kit designed to bring some atmosphere to your garden, patio, or balcony, with a bit of smart control thrown in. Outdoor lighting is one of those things that can completely change a space. Done right, it makes everything feel more cozy, more premium, and honestly just nicer to spend time in. But it's not just about turning lights on and off anymore. We're talking about colors, scenes, scheduling, and potentially integrating it into your smart home setup. Let's see what these can really do. Chapter 2. Disclaimer. Before we dive in, a quick disclaimer. NEEWER sent me this kit for free to check out and review, but they're not paying me for this video, and they haven't had any input on what I'm about to say. So as always, you're getting my honest opinion, just like with all my other videos. Chapter 3. What's in the box? So what do we have here? An instruction manual. A warning leaflet. A bag of cable ties. A 15-meter string of lights. Another bag of cable ties. And the main light string with the controller and power adapter. So overall, everything you need to get up and running straight out of the box. Chapter 4. First setup. Just to save time in case the device is faulty, I'm going to set up the string lights on the dining table first, before mounting them on my balcony. So, let's connect both strings together. And plugged everything into power. Now let's quickly check if everything works using the controller. Everything looks to be working perfectly. Next step, the mobile app. You'll need to download the NEEWER Home app, which is available for Android, iOS, and desktop as well. Once installed, open the app, create an account if you don't have one already, and log in. Make sure Bluetooth on your mobile device is enabled. Your NEEWER lights should be discovered automatically. Just tap the device marked with the plus icon and follow the on-screen instructions. Finally, check for any available updates and install them. These smart lights can also be used with a voice assistant, so let's add them to Amazon Alexa. First, log in to the Alexa app and search for the NEEWER Home skill. Tap Enable, then sign in with your NEEWER account credentials. And that's it. All done. Now you can control your new lights using your voice. Chapter 5. Physical installation. Once I'm sure the lights are configured and working properly, I can mount them on my balcony. For installation, I'm going to use a stainless steel wire rope, which will support the string and take the weight of the bulbs. You can easily find this type of rope on Amazon, available in different lengths and thicknesses. Here is some footage from the installation process. How everything looks once the installation is complete. And finally, after sunset. Chapter 6. Review. After using these lights for a few weeks, here is what I really think about them. The lights themselves are made from plastic. Not the highest quality, to be honest. But in this case, it doesn't really matter. They're designed to be lightweight and weatherproof, and once installed overhead, you're not going to notice it anyway. There is a controller on the light string, but considering how many features these lights offer, the control is quite limited. A much better option is the mobile app, which is very intuitive. Using the app, you can set timers, adjust brightness, change the white color temperature, switch colors, select scenes, enable music sync, and even create your own custom scenes. On top of that, the lights can be integrated with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. What I like the most is the ability to control each bulb individually, so you can set them up exactly the way you want. Another really impressive feature is the built-in AI support. You can ask the AI to create a lighting scene for you, then either save it or apply it straight away. The only thing I'm currently missing is Home Assistant integration, but hopefully that will come in the near future. The exciting news is that NEEWER is planning to support the Matter protocol and is currently working through the certification process. Overall, I'm really happy with these lights, and my wife is even happier than me. Would I recommend them for outdoor use? Yes, absolutely, 100%. They look good during the day and excellent after dark, especially when they're on. We genuinely love them. Just a small piece of advice before I finish. Make sure the power connection is properly protected from the weather. I'm using a weatherproof outdoor electric box. Chapter 7. Thank you. That's everything for this one. I hope you enjoyed the review and found it useful. Many thanks to NEEWER for providing these lights for testing and review. I'm very interested to see what they release next, especially with Matter support on the way. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more smart home guides, reviews, and ideas. Let me know in the comments what you think of these lights, or if you already use smart outdoor lighting. If you'd like to support the channel further, you can join as a member, buy me a coffee, or send a PayPal donation. You'll find all the links in the description below. Thanks again for being here, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay connected, stay smart, and enjoy summer nights brightened by outdoor lights.